Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy birthday if today is your birthday. How many times do you think I've said that by now? Probably so many times. It is Wednesday morning and it's gonna be a bit of a busy Wednesday, but I think the second half of the week is gonna slow down a little, which is nice because tomorrow is Connor's birthday. We have a lot of fun stuff planned, so definitely gonna be working more like a half day tomorrow. So it's currently 9 a.m. and I'm just about to go out and make my chai, but Connor's on call, so gotta do it nice and quietly, which is why I thought I would start the vlog first. Also, curly hair is back. I'm not gonna lie guys, I'm getting really sick of these like straight ends here and I'm really tempted to just fucking cut them off and see what happens. Maybe I shouldn't do that, I don't know. But they just like, I just want them gone. I just want to do like give myself a little like a layer in the front or something. Definitely am feeling a little out of practice with the curls though because I just had it straight for like a whole week. So I feel like I don't even know what to do with this anymore. It is growing out again though, which is great because that means I can get another haircut. I'm so tired of cutting my hair, like I just want it to grow out, but obviously we have to get all of this straight hair off, so it just has to be done. I think as of right now my plan is to get a proper haircut like at a salon sometime in July, probably like around a month from now. Just give my hair one more month to really grow out. I'm not going to straighten it anymore like throughout this month. Then we can go and get a little cut. I'm definitely going to tell them like I don't want to take too much off lengthwise. I just really want to get a lot of this straight stuff off, in particular in these front layers. There's probably still a little bit of straight down here, but not too much. Anyway, I don't even know why I'm rambling about this right now. Went to bed sort of late last night, but I woke up in a pretty good mood regardless, so feeling good, feeling like I can take on this day. So I'm gonna make my chai. Actually, let me think about this. Make my chai, work a little, and then later this afternoon I have to run a quick errand for Connor's birthday, so we'll go and do that. And then grab probably another chai or maybe an iced tea from Starbucks because we'll walk past Starbucks and every time I'm near Starbucks I have to get it because they never get Starbucks anymore. We'll see what else this day has in store for us. Connor and I really don't have any plans for tonight, so TBD. Today seems like a good day for some Christmas socks. They have cute little reindeers on them. They're very cute. And I've really been loving wearing like thin, tall socks around the house. I find them very comfy. Gotta keep the Christmas spirit alive year round. Maybe I'll use my Molly Christmas mug if it's clean. I'm not sure if it is. Lunchtime, but I thought I would do a really quick little unboxing for you guys before I head in and figure out what the heck I'm gonna eat today. I don't know, I have no idea what I want for lunch. Oh, I also want to show you some stuff that I got from Zara. Okay. Oh wait, I need something to open the boxes with. Okay, so I just got a few sort of like random things from Amazon. Actually, first step from this order was this, but it came in a separate box and I already opened it because I did not know what it was, but it's just a little white sarong situation for the summer, pool, beach, whatever. Just a little tie thing to go over my bikini. So that's cute and fun. I have all of this linked down below. We have some shampoo for Connor. Connor, wanna come collect your shampoo? Finally stop using mine. Next thing I got is another cute little scarf top. I already have this in another color and I really like it, so I just wanted to get another. Here we are, really pretty blue with like some nice like pink pops of color here. I just thought it was a really pretty print. Very excited to rock this guy. So affordable, it's ridiculous. And then the last thing I got was just a new baseball hat. So sort of enjoying just throwing these on. And I don't feel like doing my hair. And I thought I would get a little Phillies one to represent my team. I don't actually care about baseball literally at all, but whatever. And that is everything I got from Amazon. I also have this box here from Versed. This is a skincare brand that I've never tried before. Oh, some reusable cotton pads. Love that. Can never have enough of those. All-in-one hydrating milk. I've never really used like a hydrating milk or any sort of like milk product on my skin, so I'm excited to try that. We have this Skin Soak Rich Moisture Cream. No scent, so I'm into that. Looks very thick and creamy, love it. Antioxidant oil serum. Ooh, and it looks cute too. Give it a little shake. And then, oh, here's another like sort of milk product. It says Gentle Cycle Milky Cleanser. I actually don't really use face cleansers. Honestly, every time I get in like a good habit of washing my face like with a cleanser, obviously I always take my makeup off, but actually using a cleanser tends to break me out, which I know sounds really weird, but that really is true. And then we have this, which just looks like a big scarf. Sort of cute. I bet you could sort of style it so that you can't really tell that it says Versed, because I, you know, don't really need to wear Versed across my body, but very cute color. I feel like you could probably pull this off. All right, there's that. And now let me show you what I picked up from Zara the other day. So first up is this cute little pink tank here, which I'm a big fan of. Super affordable, bright hot pink. But it's so comfy, and it's not double lined, but I have been wearing it without a bra anyway because I don't really care that much about that. I'd rather just be comfortable. But yeah, very cute. I got this dress, which actually was a whole situation because their dressing rooms are still closed, and I waited, how long did I wait? 35 minutes in line to check out because you guys know how Zara is. It's a friggin' nightmare. And so didn't get to try anything on. I come home and it has like 2 big holes in it. And I was like, but luckily it was all along the seam. So I literally just did like a little hack job sewing it up because whatever, no one will really ever notice, and even if they do, I do not care. And I also had to shorten up the sleeves, which is pretty typical for me with stuff like this because I don't know, the spaghetti strap sleeves are always really like loose on me. But it's this really cute little bodycon dress. I am a really big fan of this. It fits so nicely, has this cute like double strap detail, fun, bright color. I'm a fan. And then this is the last thing. It is this really freaking cute blue bodycon dress that has a really pretty little flower embroidery on it. Huge fan. It's from their Seamless collection, and it's so soft. I cannot even tell you guys how comfortable this is to wear. I haven't had it out of the house yet, but I think I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. So very excited to rock this because it is so stinking cute. And there you have it. That is my haul. I have to do something for work really quickly now, and then we're gonna go make some lunch. Guys, I'm such an idiot, and I was stressed about this thing that I'm trying to get done for work and just like panic made lunch and did not show you, and it was so good too. It was a peach and burrata salad. It was delicious. Such a good combo. Just been like stressed out about this thing that I'm working on for one of my clients, and it's like killing me. But the rest of the day is not looking too bad, so that's great. And I think pretty soon, like in the next hour, we'll run out. And, oh, right, I remember that I actually don't need to run out. I had to go, I wanted to go get some like gift wrapping for Connor, but we have some here, so good to go. I don't remember the last time that I checked in, but I think it was me saying that I didn't have to go out, but then I remember that I did because I don't have a card. And I love giving cards with presents, so that's just not gonna fly, but it's such a beautiful day. I am very excited to actually go out on a walk. But I thought really quickly I would show you guys what I got for Connor, and we can throw it in some gift wrapping here. And these cute little bags from Amazon, I ordered like a ton in bulk, as well as the tissue paper, so I'll try to remember to link those down below. First up, we just have like a nice pair of khaki jeans. Nice basic to have in the closet, so there you go. This is all from Zara, by the way. And then I just got him a little shirt to go with it. I figured a little outfit. Got him this cute little pattern shirt. He wears a lot of patterns, so I thought this one was fun, and I thought that these went really well together, sort of fun vibe. Every time I buy him something new, and not so much this stuff, like this is all sort of in his wheelhouse, but when it's something he's not used to, he's always like very hesitant and then ends up wearing it and freaking loving it, so he should just trust me. Now, these bags are sort of small, so I'm not sure. I might have to use 2 different bags. Thought Connor was coming for a second. Cute. I'm so paranoid about him coming in here. It's a little too big for this bag, but that's okay. Okay, all wrapped up. I'm going to go hide these in my closet and then get changed really quickly, and we will head out to go find a card. Okay, we're off. I have my Optimist tee on. Perfect temperature for it. It is so beautiful here right now, and it's just so quiet. Like, seriously, I cannot even tell you guys how just relaxing it is going for a walk through my neighborhood. It's so insane. Like, seriously, just like listen for a second. Although now there's a car coming. Less relaxing, but even that car was sort of quiet. Listen to that. Oh my god, every time I try to show you guys the quiet, there's car noises happening. Well, it's very quiet, okay? So it's very peaceful and relaxing right now. I am loving it. Okay, first stop, as predicted this morning, gonna be Starbucks. Ooh, optional. Can I please get a venti iced black tea? Okay. And could I get that sweetened? Okay. Awesome, thank you. So if you guys don't know, all restrictions came off in California yesterday. And so technically places don't have to ask you to wear a mask. It's sort of up to them. If a business wants you to, then you have to, but otherwise you don't. So that was the very first place I've been to where they were optional if you're fully vaccinated, but I felt too weird not wearing one. So I just wore one anyway. I don't know, it's gonna be such a weird transition. Also, they sort of like skimped on my drink here. It's not filled to the top, but whatever, I really don't care. Next and final stop, CVS, to find a card. Okay, let's find birthday cards. Oh, here we go. His birthday. These are like kids though. Okay, birthday funny. Here we go. I'll look through some of these. Okay, I think we found a winner. 4 out of 5 cats don't care that it's your birthday. Actually, it's 5 out of 5. Connor's full cat dad now, so I thought this would be a good one. Well, we're in bed. Just felt like it. Feeling a little lazy. Want a snack? Having these Pringles are really good. And I'm just gonna chill in here for a little while and read my book. I don't know, just like relax for an hour. I've also just been laying here for a while watching TikToks. A very important business. Phew, and just like that, it is dark outside. It's almost 9 p.m. already. Where is this day going? And I finally finished An Anonymous Girl. It took me so long to get through this book, you guys. Not only just because I wasn't reading that often, but also it just was not my favorite. So it just was, I wasn't like drawn to like wanting to read more. Like I definitely wanted to know what would happen next, what the twist would be, like whatever, but I just didn't, I don't know, I didn't love it, to be honest. It was okay, but it's not one that I would necessarily recommend. It felt like too, there were a lot of like scenes or details or stuff that were in there that I was sort of like let's just get on with the story. We don't need like all of this build up, you know? I wasn't like shook by the ending or anything. It was just like, okay. But I have a huge stack of books here to move on to. So the next book I'm going to read is one I've been dying to read for a while. It's Verity by Colleen Hoover. Very, very excited for this one. I've heard incredible things. So yeah, definitely going to be starting this one. And I have a feeling that I'm going to fly through this one a lot quicker than the other. I'm curious if you guys have read this. Let me know what you think about it. Try to leave no spoilers, just in case someone is interested in reading it or maybe is in the middle of reading it or something. But yeah, let me know if you were into it or not. Got sort of mixed reviews when I first posted about it on Instagram that I was going to read it, so curious what you think. 8:45 p.m. I should probably start making dinner. Look at this little fuzzy cat sleeping here. Hi, Missy. It's me. Hi. Love you, and I love this little fluffy belly. He's so cute. Good girl. All right, shrimp tacos are on the menu today. Woo! I'm on dinner duty. So we got a birthday boy in the hizzy.
Thank you, baby.
Of course. Check that out. Looking yummy. And over here, we have some bell pepper, some cucumber, avocado, and some slaw. All right. Tacos are served and looking so freaking yummy. I'm so excited for these.
Yeah, yours look like pieces of art.
As always. Yours is more like...
A kindergarten made them. It's like, here, put together a taco.
What's that artist that does really like...
Jackson Pollock?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yours look like a Jackson Pollock. While we finish up our dinner, we're diving into season 2 of Dave!
Ooh.
We are so excited. We just finished rewatching season 1. It was great, so let's get into it. And just like that, we are back in bed again, and it is definitely bedtime. It's already approaching midnight. This evening went so freaking quick. I swear, from like 3 p.m. on, it was just like blink of an eye. But very excited for tomorrow because it's Connor's birthday. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and I hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Thanks for coming along, and I'll see you in the next one.